Hey there, all my YouTube friends and everybody else watching. So, I sent a video earlier on about me starting this Camaro that I'm going to make into the STP, Eric Jones, Richard Petty throwback. So I started working on this. Everybody, if you follow my channel, you know that I love old NASCARs. I got a gazillion NASCAR model kits. But this is my first one of the next gen car. This new body style here. Seeing everybody build it and having good times with it. Well, I can't say I'm having good times with this. So, this thing has been fighting me, struggling me, a lot of swearing at it, whatever. So, I had it all set up, ready to go. A lot of the pieces didn't fit where I wanted it to fit. With that being said, though, there's a couple things that I know that I screwed up on, like with the front suspensions here. I know that that wasn't working out well for me. The rear piece here, I don't know what was going on with this. This one was fighting me. So anyways, and I fell out. So I had it all together. Most of it. The goody goodness here. It was all together on the I don't know, the floor pan, whatever you want to call that. But somehow, as I was playing with it, trying to get it together, it all just fell apart on me. So I'm going to have to try to get it all together. The problem is, a lot of these parts I did like a lot of super glue on because I couldn't get the parts to fit properly. So now I got to like scrape all this off without trying to break in everything. And then cleaning up the pan here so it all fits in together. The suspension parts I was having a hell of a time with, but I think I got it. Like I said, I know some of the parts that I was doing. Needs a little cleanup on paint there. Some of that was my fault. Other parts, I just couldn't figure out how pieces fit together properly. The instructions are good. They're not great. So now I got to try to get this all here. This one whole side here came off. Try to get it all back together. I was really... Oh, here it is. I was really hoping that this was going to be fairly done today. With that being said, this is not my best work, obviously. I would love to do another one after this one gets the... Like, I couldn't get all the pieces to stay in together. So I got another shot at it. But I would love to do another one. The STP that I showed you, the decals, the Richard Petty throwback, I am not doing on this one because I want that one to be real nice for my Petty collection. I am going to do it the Kyle Larson scheme that came with the box. Which is okay because it's all red and all this white is actually decal, so I don't have to mask anything off. Kind of cool. Paint it red. Do it. It's a good paint scheme anyways. But yeah, just because this is not coming out... And I would love to do another one and know that I can make it better. But this thing has been fighting me the whole time here. Just literally fighting me. So, that's where I'm at with this. I've had ups and downs on it. Obviously, right now it's a big down. So, I'm filming this on a Saturday morning. I'm going to go out for the rest of the day. So, this is probably the last I'm going to look at it today. You know, maybe later this weekend after work during the week. So, I'll play with it some more and see where I'm at. So, yeah, if you haven't done one of these, this is not a beginner kit by any means. This one needs some attention, some patience, some work to it. All right, so with my mishap here, I'm gonna stop the video here, and next video I put out of this one, hopefully this will all be back together, and we'll see where we're at. All right, everybody, I'm filming this on a Saturday, so if you're watching this on the weekend, I hope you're having a good weekend. If you're watching it through the week, I hope your week's doing good and you had a great weekend. And like I always say, wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, I hope it's the best. Make the best of everything. All right, everybody. I'll catch you all later.